So you've just gutted your first lock and you've got your pins and your springs lying around and you've got no pinning tray. So I'm just going to show you what I did when I picked my very first lock and gutted it and I didn't have a pinning tray. So let's just move these out of the way a minute. Simple. Piece of paper, that's all you need. Just like you used to make a fan at school. Fold it over that way. And that way. Remember doing this at school? You used to make a fan? If you didn't, you haven't lived. Just keep folding it over. There you go. Remember now? Fan what you made at school. Anyway, this is what I did when I couldn't find anywhere to put my bits. Just lay it flat out like that. Pick up your springs. Bang. 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 And one more. There you go. They're not going to roll anywhere. That's saying. Then put your pins in. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. And then put your key pins in. Obviously, you'd do this when you were stripping the lock and do them one at a time so they was all in the correct order. These are just bits what I'm going to keep as spares. I've gutted the lock and I'm not going to use it, so but honestly, if you've got no pinning tray, you'll lose pins. They go all over the place when you take them out and they roll everywhere. So that's it. Dead simple. They're not going to roll anywhere. And that will get you out of this shit. I hope you make one. I hope you use one. If not, you can always use it for a fan when you get a bit hot. See you later. Bye-bye.